Okay, so I'm here with Tom of Poly,
Yes.
the portable dolly system. I guess what you have here, I almost walked by your booth at first because I thinking it was just another motorized dolly, but what you have here is
It's a flywheel-driven system.
flywheel. So it's pretty much complete pass. You kind of push it and it just continues.
Yes, the flywheel are saving the energy I put in, and it stabilized it automatically, and so it drives with a fingertip.
Let's take a look at the product.
Yes.
You have one. I guess these guys. They've been a pretty busy booth actually. Let's take a look at.
Yeah. So the principle is you have an engine. This is this part, and it has this flywheel on it.
Cool.
And the whole system has this surface and the arm, and with the arm you have a wide range of viewing positions.
Okay. So this is the arm here. Currently we have a GH2 with a...
Yes, for this example, but you can use different camera plates on it, on this size, and it's no problem to use a 10 or 20 kilogram big size camera with it. You only have to use this counterweight.
Okay. And is this like a kind of like a long arm that you guys have created on the back as well that you can just put the counterweight?
Yes.
Just sandbag it? Cool. So...
And
I guess what's keeping it from skipping off the track? You had a manual.
you have enough room here. You see, I can drive this in this wheel, and it will slow down. But it's no problem to find roughly the center of the system, and it will work fine.
Now, how easy is this to level? I'm assuming it has to be fairly level for it to position.
Yes, this small little fit. With one finger you can turn it.
Okay. Cool.
And it's...
And I guess, are there multiple support points in between too, or? So so you've got them all along kind of this track. Approximately how far sliding distance do you expect people to use this dolly system for?
I think this is the range for the most people, but you can buy additional in between surface elements, and you can expand it without limit.
Okay, so the kit as it comes right now, this.
No, this is the kit with 3 parts.
3 parts.
1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
And you only have this one, this little. It has no loose parts. You can simply turn this and it's ready.
Okay. Also, basically, you just tighten up. Even when you loosen up to try to attach things, it doesn't come off of.
No.
Okay. Excellent. So no parts to lose. Good. Okay, I kind of understand how it attaches, so I'm just going to kind of point that out. And I guess this thing's kind of just rolling along slowly. Okay, so again, no batteries.
No batteries.
No power, no motors, and it's very smooth.
Almost no preparation time.
How heavy is this whole kit with the 3 sections?
About 11, 12 kilograms.
12 kilograms. And then how compact, I guess this is as compact as you want to, does this section over here, the arm come off of the dolly? Or?
No, we have here one, what do you mean exactly?
Sorry, I mean for packing it, to make it really compact, can you take the whole arm off of the dolly?
You can pull it off.
And it's pretty quick to put back to
Yes, yes. I see. It's one,
okay, so I guess
this here and this button here.
I guess if you don't want to use it with an arm, you can also just use it with just a tripod head directly onto the... Okay, excellent. So you've got something to show you. Okay.
Mach mal den Arm weg.
Okay, yeah, so even if you don't want to take it off, it's already very compact as it is. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, now who are you? You are... This guy is Hans Peter?
Peter.
And you're the technical guy.
Yes.
You're the designer, you're the technical guy.
And it has here a 3 to 8 inch system, so you can mount every 3 to 8 inch equipment on it.
Okay. Okay, that's cool. Oh yeah, and approximate cost? Do you have an idea?
The engine itself is about 1,460 euros, and the complete set with the trail and the arm and the engine is about 2,800 euros.
So it's very affordable.
Yeah.
Well, what about North America? If someone wanted to buy this, have we to ship it from you guys? Or?
Yeah, we sell it worldwide. From today.
Okay, so available now. Yeah. Shipping from Munich. Okay, sounds good. Okay, thank you, Tom. Thank you, Hans.
Thank you.